Mabuhay! Welcome to Pinay's Kitchen! Today I'm gonna show you how to make gimbap or kimbap. Here are the ingredients you will need. You're gonna need a sushi rolling mat. I always wrap mine in plastic wrap just so I don't have to wash it later, because too much washing sometimes will cause the mat to break. You're gonna need a roasted seaweed or nori sheets. You're gonna need freshly cooked rice. When it's cool enough to handle, you can season it with sesame oil and roasted sesame seed. You don't want your rice to be too cold because it's gonna have a mushy consistency once you eat it. You will also gonna need a shredded carrots sauteed in sesame oil. For the rest of the filling, you will need eggs omelette cut into strips, kani or imitation crab. Traditional Korean kimbap, they use sauteed spinach, but I don't have spinach, so I'm using cucumber strips. And then I have Korean pickled radish here. You can find these in your local Asian store. For the meat, I am using strips of beef, sauteed in a little bit of soy sauce, some fried fish cakes, and sauteed mushroom. You can use any kind of meat you want in here as long as it's dry, and some people even use canned tuna for the filling. Now in rolling, nori sheet has two sides, the shiny side and the rough side. We are using the rough side for the filling. Fill the sheets with rice and flatten it up, leaving at least 1 inch empty. Now when it comes to the filling, you can decide what to fill your kimbap. I am putting a layer of each ingredients in mine. When rolling, tuck the bottom into the other edge of the rice and roll. And then you squeeze and roll until the final edge of the nori sticks to the roll. You can start cutting by cutting it in the middle, then tuck both rolls side by side and then start cutting them in your preferred size. You can use a wet paper towel to wipe your knife for easier cutting. And that's how you make Korean sushi roll or gimbap. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys. This is Krista of Pinay's Kitchen. See you soon. Bye!